Rakipbul Ligi sponsorları Bilyoner.com, Nike, Powerade, Joga Atletik ve Radyo Spor sunar.
It's like I woke up from a nightmare. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. Because I finally got away from you. And I ain't never going back there. If it's the last thing I'll ever do. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost that you left behind here. When is it you decided to turn into a bitch? We used to be lower than down. Anybody that knew us would admit. Then you suddenly switched. Yeah, you suddenly switched. In all of my years, I never seen someone corrupted so clean. Lately, I'm feeling like I'm being haunted by all of these demons that I got inside of me. Deep in my arteries, don't even know the reason of pathology. Fuck it, I feel like I'm ready to blow up. I'm ready to blow up and call it a rap. Call it a rap. You can have all my shit if it means that I see you, I don't want it back. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. Because I finally got away from you. And I ain't never going back there. If it's the last thing I'll ever do. Like fuck that. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost that you left behind here. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost that you left behind here. Suffocating, struggling just to breathe. And I feel like I've been trying to get away forever now. I'm just trying to run away and go wherever now. Cause I don't hear you in my rear view. Can see exhausted by my vehicle. I feel like I've been waiting for this day forever now. And that wherever you may be, I hope you never found.
Chill off in your crib and have a thing right in the stack of some. You like my body, poke my bill, wait for my lawyer. Play your position, make the mother hoes get out of order. When you wanna give me that pussy, you purchase a plane ticket, run around. When you wanna give me that pussy, you purchase a plane ticket, run around. When you wanna give me that, 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 when you wanna, when you wanna, when you wanna, when you wanna. I'm on some pimp shit, but
Been this nervous with the cold drink in my 2 hands, saying no thanks. Like anyway it goes, cause I know things they shouldn't have told me. Now I'm thinking what for? Hanging by a sentence at the drugstore. Barely even steady out the front